Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to create AI assistants or chatbot, okay, which can be similar to the famous one like Gemini or something ChatGPT. You can use it, okay. Of course, we no need to explain what ChatGPT or Gemini can do, okay. You can ask multiple context based any question and it can understand and reply you, okay. So now the problem here is whatever content I have, if I need to ask, I need to upload it. For example, I have a piece of code, I want to understand what is going on, I want to improve it, I want to understand what's the error. I need to paste here and I will get the response. But the problem here is you need to upload your data, okay. That means your data is going outside of your premises, it is not secure, okay. If you have very critical data, if it is not shareable, then it's a problem, you cannot get the assistance, okay. To overcome this problem, okay, we are trying to deploy the model locally and get the assistance, okay. This is the overall idea what we are trying to target today, okay. And to achieve this goal, okay, we have some options available, some frameworks available, which is called Ollama, okay. It's open source, you can use it, okay, and you can download it from here. And it has of course support to multiple operating system you can choose, okay. And if you go to model section, it offers lots of models, okay, like GPT base or DeepSeek or Llama, okay, Llama and Mistral and many options available, okay. Based upon your use case, you can select whichever you are interested, okay. So you can choose and you can deploy. Let's see how to do it, okay. To do this experimentation, okay, I am using Google Colab, okay, and I open on the right side the terminal over there, okay. Let me show you, yeah, over here. Let me go to the first, exactly, okay. Maybe I can keep this way, yeah, great. So okay, let me zoom it a bit for better visibility. I'm hoping this is visible, okay. Okay, I get this, okay, yeah. So these are the steps, okay. Step number one, download from manually and deploy, or you can do by using the curl command, okay. Just use the command here, okay, and run it from your terminal, okay, which I did it here, okay. Curl, okay, and then it will get installed. Let me go to the last, yeah, it's get installed. After installation, check whether it is really installed properly or is there any issue here, okay, by checking the version, okay. Let me see here, is this properly installed or not? Yes, here. So I did the version check, okay. It's showing is 0.12.5, okay. That's good, okay. And then next, start the local server, okay. Ollama local server will be started by using this command, sorry, this command, okay. Let's see, yes. So it started, okay, and this is going on, okay. It is still active here, I would say. After that, now you go to the your notebook, okay, or your environment, okay, and try to install the required packages, okay, for completing. For example, okay, in my Conda environment, okay, I would say I am installing the Ollama, okay. Okay, I installed it, okay. And then again do the connection over there to the server, okay. I did it, okay. Okay, so we can take these models and we can run our ChatGPT based or similar AI assistance chatbot, okay. For example, I am activating it here, okay, and then I can ask my question here saying hi, just for example, okay. So it says hi, how can I assist you, okay. I can ask how are you, it is just for explanation purpose I am writing, okay. So you can, okay, I am doing great, thanks for asking, okay. So this how it can work, okay. And it can respond since we deployed it, okay. So this is the one phase of usage, okay. Now as a next step, we are trying to use it, okay, by using Python based coding, okay. Let's do it, okay. So for that reason I am just pulling, this time I am pulling instead of running. You remember before where it is we run it, yeah, we run it, so it will directly run it, okay. Now I don't want to run it, okay. So I am just trying to pull it. So I pull the small model for our experimentation, Okay, you can take a bigger if you like, but yeah. So after that you can see what are the models exist. Now we have model, okay, small as well as the one which we take before. Okay, both are exist now. Okay, and then now I'm writing a small python code here. Okay, I'm telling the model name is this one. Okay, and a simple prompt. Okay, explain the concept as small. Okay, some reference prompt I'm taking here. Okay, and then passing it to Ollama generate command. Okay, wherein we have to pass the model name, prompt, and prompt. Okay, so and then get full response. Okay, at once. No, I don't want, it is just an experiment. Okay, so that's okay. So try it, run it, and you will get the response. Okay, okay, like this in the context of large language models. Yeah, some full response you will get it. Okay, saying small refers to a features, etc., etc. Yeah, these are response you will get it. Okay, so okay, so so far we have seen how we can deploy and use the different models. Okay, by using Ollama framework. Okay, like in the experiment one we have tried. Okay, using the models from the chatbot way. Okay, like from the command terminal we have gone there and we have use it over there. Okay, and after deploying and running we are able to use like a chatbot. Okay, and in the second experiment we have seen how we can use them within our python notebook or within our python environment. Okay, we just import it and use over there. Okay, these are the multiple ways we can use it when it is deployed locally securely we can use them. Okay, so this was the target of the video. Thanks for your time, and see you soon in the upcoming video. Okay, have a nice day. Yeah, bye.